Hey guys, really excited today. We got something new to try, so unique that it's the first time in 65 years that this particular beer company has added flavor to its line. So it is a limited edition, limited state distribution beer. Very excited. We all know that an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Well, I found my apple right here, Busch's Light Apple. This, again, limited edition, 4.1% alcohol, 130 calories, 11 carbohydrates. I opened this up. It actually smells like a bushel of apples. So it has a great smell. We'll pour a little here. You can see it's very light. So it does say light there, not kidding. The other thing that we know is true is this is a lager, not a cider. So let's give it a quick taste. Tastes like apples, and it tastes like beer. It more appropriately, it tastes like apples that may have been soaked in beer or even sauteed. So it's really smooth. It's not overly sweet. There's no hops, no bitterness. It's actually a very balanced drink, which I like. And I would also try it out of my glass here. And I'm trying it out of both because you get more of the aroma and the taste at the same time from a beer glass as opposed to a can where your mouth is blocking your nose. So drinking it this way, you get a little bit more of the beer scent, but the apple flavor remains the same. It's actually really good. I'm glad that they did this, although apple, we typically think Thanksgiving, holidays, pies. I think it's great for summer. I'm actually going to keep some of these for Thanksgiving and spring them on my guests, which will be a nice surprise for them and a great way to encompass that whole apple flavor thing going on. So yeah, if you're a beer drinker, or even if you're not a beer drinker, I would say that this is a pretty good product. I like it. I liked it a lot better than some of the other apple beers that are out there. Apple ciders and hard ciders I put into a different category than a typical beer. This is definitely a very light lager with apple flavor, natural apple flavor. And I'm a little surprised because Busch has their Busch Light has been their fastest growing brand in the value segment of beers. So I got to give them a lot of credit, right? We often dismiss these types of beers over craft beers and other flavor profiles, but I think they got something here. I hope that it goes longer than a limited edition, and I hope you're able to find it. If you're not lucky enough to live in a state where it's being actively sold, you'll just have to hope that you see it in your travels or someone brings it, or I invite you to our house. So until next time, we'll catch a buzz with your cuz.